Autonomous home cleaning robots are an essential part of our lives. They turn a time-consuming chore into an afterthought. These robots are using a variety of sensors varying from manufacturer to manufacturer. The aim of this project is to compare these different sensors on both datasheet and experimental level while building an autonomous indoor mapping robot using SLAM algorithms. This task is carried out in 3 sections. First, the sensor types that can be used for this project are selected. Then the right sensor models from each sensor type is selected. These selections and the reasons behind them are reported on the research paper. After this initial theoretical research part, the second section started. In this section, the selected sensors were tested individually in a controlled test setup. After that, they were tested alongside each other on the same setup to see whether any complications occur. Finally, the sensors were mounted on the robot. In the final section, the robot drove around in a controlled test setup with different sensor combinations. These experimental results can also be found in the research paper as well. Laser, lidar, ultrasonic and infrared distance measurement sensors are selected as the main sensors for this project. They are placed on the 4 sides of the robot with a different placement order for each test run. Each sensor will collect its distance measurement relative to the side that they were placed on. This data will be used in the navigation and localization parts of the project. The front sensor will track the distance traveled and the side sensors will determine the turning direction. This will ensure that the project can run on a SLAM algorithm. In addition, the data gathered from these test runs then collected in a MATLAB database where a real-time indoor mapping application creates a 2D map of the environment. In the end, 4 sensor datasets with different configurations were collected, mapped, and observed by the students. The reports, observations from these runs were put into a research paper. Thank you for listening.